In this video, we are going to revise exercise 2.6 addition. Shall we see the revisions for addition problems?
Okay, this is from term book page number 28. Okay, look at this. Let's have some problems. First one, Muthu bought 32 lemons and Kannan bought 5 lemons. Find the total number of lemons bought by them. Okay, va? Enna solranga? Can you understand what they are telling? Muthu அப்படின்ற ஒரு பையன் என்ன பண்றாங்க 32 lemons and கண்ணன் வந்து 5 lemons வந்து என்ன பண்றாங்க வாங்குறாங்க. Find the total number of lemons bought by them. So டோட்டலா அவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் மொத்தமா எவ்வளவு lemons வந்து வாங்கிருக்காங்க. That only we are going to count. Okay. So 32 lemons அவன் முத்து வாங்கிருக்காங்க. 5 lemons வந்து கண்ணன் வாங்கிருக்காங்க. So first we have to என்ன பண்ணணும் எடுத்ததுமே வந்து ones தனியா tens தனியா we have to split and write. Okay வா? So என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க இந்த 32 ல how many tens are they? 32 number கொடுத்தா அதுல எத்தனை tens இருக்கு? So we have to see the tens place. In tens place we are having number 3. So we are having 3 tens. So என்ன பண்ணிட்டாங்க tens எல்லாம் வந்து split பண்ணி இங்க போட்டிருக்காங்க. ஓகேங்களா? So in tens means in one bowl we are having 10 lemons. ஓகேங்களா? So we having 3 bowl. In 3 bowl we are having 10 lemons. In each we are having 10 lemons. Okay. And in one's column we have written 2 lemons. So Kannan bought 32 lemons means so 3 tens and 2 ones. Okay. So and Kannan bought how many? Yes, he bought 5 lemons. So in one's place they have filled 5 lemons. So the totally, how will you write the numbers? So we have to write it in the column. So T means tens, O means ones. So in ones place we having 2. We have to write 2 in and also we are having 5. So we have written 5. In tens place we are having 3 bowl. So we have to write that means 3 tens. So now we have to add the total. So when we are adding, we have to start from the ones place. So now we are having 2 and 5. If you add 2 plus 5, what will you get? Keep 2 in mind and keep the 5 in the finger. Okay. So after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they given 7. And next move to tens place. In tens place we are having 3 alone. In this place we don't have any number. That means 0. Okay. 0 வந்து போடலனாலும் பரவாயில்லை. Before they didn't give any number. So 3 write as it is there. Okay. So the total number of lemons is 37. So Muthu and Kannan having totally 37 lemons. Okay. Let's move to the another problem. Abhi plucked 24 guavas. Okay, Jesse plucked 33 guavas. How many guavas did Abhi and Jesse pluck in all? Okay va, Abhi என்ன பண்றாங்க 24 கொய்யாக்கா வந்து குவானா கொய்யா அத பறிக்கறாங்க and Jesse 33 guavas. So இப்போ என்ன பண்ணனும் நம்ம டோட்டலா எவ்வளவு ரெண்டு பேருமே பறிச்சாங்க same before we have learned this. Okay va, அதே மாதிரி தான் இதுவுமே. Okay, so we having first we have to split and write how many tens are there, how many ones are there in the tens and ones column. So first we have to split and write. First see the Abhi plucked guavas. Here we are having 24 lemons. Sorry, 24 guavas. In that how many tens are there? In tens place we are having number 2. So we have 2 tens. So we have 2 tens. Okay, they mentioned here. And in ones place we are having number. So we have 4 ones. Okay, and we have completed Abhi வந்து எவ்வளவு pluck பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்றத நம்ம complete பண்ணிட்டோம். Next we move to Jesse. Jesse plucked 33 guavas. In that we are having how many tens and how many ones are there? So see the tens and ones place. In tens place we are having number 3. That means 3 tens. So they given 3 tens and how many ones are there? 3 ones. So in ones column we have written 3. So that will be ones we are having 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In tens, 1, 2. So 2. Okay. And next see this one. In ones place we are having 1, 2, 3. So they written 3. In tens, 1, 2, 3. So 3 tens are there. So we have to write here 3. Okay. So now we have to add this. 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. Okay. 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have written 7 here. And next 2 and 3. If we add 3 with 2, what will you get? 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have written 5 here. So the problem is based on this. எந்த ப்ராப்ளம் எதை பேஸ் பண்ணி இருக்கு ஆல்ரெடி உங்களுக்கு இதை பேஸ் பண்ணி ஐ ஹவ் எக்ஸ்பிளைன்ட் சம் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ். சோ இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா, இதை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க, லைக் அ சிமிலர் ஒன் ஒன்லி. சோ ஃப்ரம் தி ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வி ஹாவ் டு கான்சென்ட்ரேட் ஹவு மெனி டென்ஸ் அண்ட் ஹவு மெனி ஒன்ஸ் ஆர் தேர். ஓகேவா? சோ அதோட டோட்டல் நம்பர் வில் பி ரைட்டிங் ஹியர் வித் டென்ஸ் அண்ட் ஒன்ஸ். அது வந்து டென்ஸ் காலம் ஒன்ஸ் காலம்ல கவுண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம எழுதுவோம். ஓகேவே? Okay. So based on this only we having, so அதே மாதிரி என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க, we having some objects. இங்க வந்து எப்படி இருந்தது, டோட்டலா மொத்தமா கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. ஓகேவா? So we only have to circle 10 கவுண்ட் பண்ணி எழுதணும். ஓகேவா? அதே தான் நம்ம சிம்பிளிஃபைடா என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம் இந்த பேஜ்ல 10 ஆகும். So ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸ்ல என்ன இருக்கு, 4 இருக்கு. So in ones column we have written 4. In tens column we have 2. So we have wrote 2 tens. So அததான் இங்க என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம், இந்த பிக்சர்ஸ் வந்து கவுண்ட் பண்ணி இங்க எழுதிருக்கோம். ஓகேவா? In ones place we having 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to write number 4. In this we having 1 and 2 tens. So we have to write number 2. So இத மாதிரி தான் இந்த problems வந்து we have to complete. Okay children, let's practice based on this more. Okay, look at this picture. Okay, read this question. A balloon seller has 23 pink balloons and 4 yellow balloons. How many balloons did he has totally? Balloon seller என்ன பண்றாங்க, பலூன் விற்பாங்களே அவங்களதான் என்னன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, பலூன் செல்லர். அவர் என்ன பண்றாரு, 23 pink balloons வச்சிருக்காங்க and 4 yellow balloons. ஓகேவா? 23 pink balloons இருக்கு, 4 yellow balloons இருக்கு. How many balloons did he has totally? மொத்தமா அவங்க எவ்வளவு balloons வச்சிருக்காங்க, that only we have to find. Okay, so pink balloons are 23. So we have to write in tens and ones. So அதுல எத்தனை tens இருக்கு எத்தனை ones இருக்குன்ட்டு we have to find and write here. So in this we having ones place we having number 3. So that means 3 ones. In tens place we having number 2. That means 2 tens. So in each will be 10 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in each will be 10 balloons. That is 1 10, 2 tens. Okay, and here 3 ones. That is 23. So in ones place we are having 3 balloons. In tens place we are having 2 tens balloons. Okay, so 2 and 3. And yellow balloons we are having how many? 4. So we have drawn 4 balloons. So write, count and write here number 4. Now we have to add the total number of balloons. Okay, so how many will be there? In ones place we having 3 and 4. So keep the 3 in mind, keep the 3 in mind and 4 in the fingers. Okay, so after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to write here 7. Okay children, and see the next one. In tens column we having number 2 and here there is no number. So you write here as it is. Okay va? அங்க numbers எதுவும் இல்ல, நம்ம ஏதாவது இருந்தா ஆட் பண்ண முடியும். So எதுமே இல்ல. So we have write simply number 2. So the total number of balloon is 27.
We will see the exercise sum. Look at here. 25 plus 3. While adding we want to mention the place values. Place value mention பண்ணோம். ஓகேவா? நம்மளுடைய ரைட் சைடுல ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸ் அண்ட் லெஃப்ட் சைடு டென்ஸ் பிளேஸ். ஓகே, ஆல்ரெடி அங்க மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. we are going to add alone. First we want to add ones column. Okay, first we want to add ones column. While adding, what did I said ma? First number we want to keep it in our mind, and for the second number we want to leave the fingers. Okay, first number what is this? 5. 5 in the mind and 3 in the fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. Want to write 8 here. 8. In the tens column only one number only is there. So we don't have any number to add with this. We can straight away write this number 2. 28. 25 plus 3, the answer is 28. Next, 42 plus 0. Okay, while adding any number with 0 means the same number only will come. 0 kuda endha number add pannalo and the number appdiye vandrum. Okay ngla, ena there is a no value for 0, so we want to write the straight away the number. Okay, 2 plus 0, 2 only. Here also only one digit only is there, so we are writing straight away the number 4, 2. 42 plus 0, the answer is 42. 60 plus 1, 60. 0 only is there. Here I said no, the same only here also. While adding any number with 0 means the same number only will come. 0 could add panamode 1 abdiye vandrum. Okay ngla. Next, here also only one digit only is there, so straight away we are writing the 6. இங்க one digit number தான் இருக்கு. இங்க add பண்றதுக்கு எந்த நம்பரும் இல்ல இல்லையா? So 6 number அப்படியே எழுதிடணும். Okay, so that next 45 plus 23. We are going to add ones column first. 5 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are writing 8 in the ones column. Next, 4 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. After 4, 5, 6. Next, 23 plus 40. The same method only. We are adding any number 0 kuda endha number add pannalo the same number will come. Okay, 3. 2 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Next, 50 plus 30. 0 is there, so no value. We are writing 0. 5 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 6 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. வந்து 3 digit இருக்கு. இது வந்து நியூவா நீங்க ஆட் பண்றீங்க. 3 digit ஆட் பண்றீங்க. 3 digit ஆட் பண்ணும்போது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணோம்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 2 digit ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு வர ஆன்சர்ஸ் சைடுல ஸ்மால் ரெஃபரன்ஸ்க்கு எழுதி வச்சுக்கோங்க. அது கூட வந்து third digit number you can add it. Okay, 62 plus 6 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. After 6, 7, 8. 8 வந்து குட்டியா இங்க எழுதிக்கோங்க. Next, இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணி தான் 8 வருது. So we are going to 8 with 1. 8 in the mind, 1 in the fingers. After 8, 9. Next, 3 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. After 3, 4, 5. 5. We are going to add 5 with 4. 5 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think 9. Next, 8. 8 in the mind, 0. 8 plus 0. The answer will 8 only. இங்கேயும் 0 இருக்கு. அப்போ நம்மளுக்கு 0க்கு வேல்யூ இல்லை. So straight away we are writing the number. Okay, 4 in the mind, 1 in the fingers. After 4, 5. 5. 5 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 6 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. After 6, 7, 8. 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 8, 9. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. Look at here. Next we are going to see the statement sum. 30 children are lined up to jump using skipping rope. If 20 more children join them, how many children are there in total? 30 children skipping rope la jump பண்றதுக்கு லைன்ல நிக்கிறாங்க. Okay, 20 children if they join them means we are going to find the total number of children. 30 children already standing in a line. 20 more children was joining them. 30 children லைன்ல நிக்கிறாங்க. 20 children அவங்க கூட எக்ஸ்ட்ரா வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணும்போது totally how many students was standing in a line we are going to find it. Okay, so we are going to add 30 plus 20. But 30 20 add panada we are able to find the total number of children. Okay, so we want to add 30 plus 20. 30 first and then 20. Here 0 only is there, so we are writing 0 here. Next 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 3 4 5. So the answer is 50. Now how many children was totally standing in a line? 50. Already 30 children was standing in a line, then 20 more was joined there. The total number of children standing in a line is 50. Okay, 50. Total number of children standing in a line 50. Next sum. In a park, Suji counted 12 children and 15 adults. How many people did she count in total? Suji வந்து 15 childrens இருக்காங்க, 15 adults இருக்காங்கன்னு கவுண்ட் பண்றாங்க. ஓகே, பார்க்ல வந்து 12 childrens and 15 adults இருக்காங்கன்னு கவுண்ட் பண்றாங்க. We are going to find the total number of people. Children's adult இவங்க ரெண்டு பேரையும் ஆட் பண்ணி total number of peoples we are going to find. Okay, for that we want to add 12 plus 15. 12 plus 15 add பண்ணாதா total number of peoples in the park we can able to count. Okay, how many childrens in the park Suji counted? 12 childrens. So first we want to write 12 childrens. Next, how many adult? 15 adults. So we wrote 15 adults. This 2 we want to add. Okay, 12 plus 15. 2 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. 5 in the fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. Okay. Next 1 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 1, 2. Answer is 27. Total number of people is 27. 12 children. Suji வந்து 12 children இருக்காங்க பார்க்லன்னு கவுண்ட் பண்றாங்க. 15 adults கவுண்ட் பண்றாங்க. The total number of people in the park is 27. Okay. அப்ப total number of people in the park எவ்வளோ? 27. Next we will see. Next sum. A fisherman caught 22 fishes in the morning and 12 fishes in the afternoon. How many fishes did she catch totally? 22 fishes in the morning and 12 fishes in the afternoon. We want to count the total number of fishes. Okay, we want to add the total number of fishes caught by fisherman. For that we want to count 12 plus 22. 22 fishes in the morning and 12 fishes in the afternoon. The total number of fishes we want to add 22 plus 12. 2 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. After 2, 3, 4. எப்போ ஆட் பண்ணாலும் நம்ம ரைட் சைட்ல இருந்து தான் ஆட் பண்ண ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணோம். ஓகே, 2 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 2, 3. So the answer is 34. Total number of fishes is 34. Okay, the total number of fishes caused by fisherman is 34. There are 15 boys and 24 girls in a class. How many students are there altogether? 15 boys, 24 girls இருக்காங்க கிளாஸ்ல. We are going to count the total number of students in a classroom. Okay, for that we are going to add the number of boys and number of girls. Number of boys is 15 and number of girls is 24. So 5 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3. So total number of students is 39. 15 boys, 24 girls. Total number of students is 39. The answer is 39. In a bird sanctuary, there are 33 parrot and 15 peacock. How many birds are there in total? Okay, 33 parrot and 15 peacock irukku bird sanctuary la. Okay, we are going to count how many number of birds totally. Parrot, peacock renduthiyum sethu how many number of birds is there we are going to add now. Okay, 33 parrot and 15 peacock. While adding, what did I say? We want to start from the right side only. 3 in the mind and 5 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 3 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 3, 4. So, total number of birds is 48. 33 parrot and 15 peacock. Total number of birds is 48. Okay. 33 parrot and 15 peacock. Number of birds is totally 48. Like this only we want to do the statement sum. Thank you.